Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Minecraft for free on your Windows PC or laptop by installing the official Minecraft trial. This method uses the official Minecraft website, so it's completely safe and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. In the search bar, type Minecraft trial, then press enter. Open the first result, which should be the official Minecraft.net website. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you see the download section. Choose your operating system. If you're using Windows, select Windows 10 11th and make sure you download the Java Edition trial. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Locate the installer you just downloaded. If you'd like, you can move it to your desktop to make it easier to find. Double-click the installer to launch it. Accept the license agreement. Then click Install. Wait while Minecraft is installed on your computer. Once the installation is complete, click Let's Go to launch the Minecraft launcher. When the launcher opens, sign in with your Microsoft account. To use the free trial, make sure you're signing in with a Microsoft account that has never owned or played Minecraft before. If you don't have one, click Create Microsoft Account and follow the instructions to create a new account. After creating your account, return to the Minecraft launcher and sign in. Once you're signed in, click Play Demo at the top of the launcher. The launcher will automatically begin downloading the game. Wait for the download to finish. After it's installed, click Play and you'll be able to start playing the free Minecraft trial. That's all there is to it. You now know how to download and install Minecraft for free on your PC using the official Minecraft trial. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Minecraft tutorials, PC gaming guides, and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.